our kitchen.
Welcome to Fish Hook. I'm Charles, and we're getting excited. This is Thanksgiving. It is by far my most favorite holiday of the year. It's a family thing. We all get together, and I'm really getting psyched up for this. And I hope you guys are too. So we want you to join us tonight, and you're going to see what we've got a special dish we're going to be surprising family with. We're going to be doing a seafood stuffing, and we want you to be part of this. So tonight, Amy and I are going to prepare it. We're going to show you just how easy it is, and you guys have more than enough time. It's Monday. Thursday's Thanksgiving. You guys can whip this up and surprise your guests. I think you're going to love the ingredients.
And even better, it's organic. So what ingredients are we going to be using for this stuffing?
All right, we've got nice organic celery. Did you like? Everything is nice. We've got organic onion, an organic egg, some organic butter, unsalted. We've got black pepper, sage, and thyme we're using. And we have fresh, raw shrimp, scallops, raw, and fresh lump crab meat. And then Amy was able to find, check this out, organic herb seasoned stuffing from Sprouts Farmers Market. You guys probably have them too. I couldn't believe you found organic. So guys, we want to stay healthy. That was a big surprise. I was saying stuffing, it's not really going to meet the health thing, but I think we're going to do it. So we're going to get ready and start preparing. We're going to bring you in, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make this.
Okay.
You ready, hon?
Yes.
All right, here.
All right, we're going to put the stick of butter in the pan. All right, and our butter's melting now, so we're going to throw in the celery and the chopped up onions. And we're going to start sauteing that. I'm going to add a little bit of salt as we're sauteing, not too much. All right, let's give it a stir.
Looks good, hon.
Yeah, we're sauteing the onions and the celery. All right, guys, I'm going to season my crab and my shrimp and scallops with a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw it into the mixture of onions and celery. I'm going to saute that really lightly, because it's going to cook some more in the oven. So we don't want to cook the heck out of it. So as you can see, it's cooking down. Oh my gosh, this looks so luscious with all this seafood. I am so excited about this seafood stuffing. I've never had it, and I'm so excited we're going to bring it to my sister's house. But check that out. Look at this. It looks gorgeous. And then after we're done, we're going to actually cut the shrimp and scallops when it's cooked so that it's smaller pieces inside of the stuffing. You don't want a big chunk. So after this gets done, we're going to actually cut it down. All right, guys, our seafood mixture is done. I went like this to kind of chop it up instead of getting it back out of my pan. So that would be too messy. So I kind of just use this to cut it in the pan. So next we are going to take our seafood stock and pour it in the mixture. And then let's give that a stir. And I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw in my organic herb seasoned stuffing. Okay, next we're going to throw the herbs and seasonings in. This is sage and thyme. So let's go ahead and pour that in. Grate and stuffing, and then we have pepper. So we're going to throw that in. Just give it a stir.
Now all the ingredients, guys, that you're seeing now we're mixing, that Amy's mixing, all of that will be listed in the links below. I'll have a detailed recipe and step-by-step instructions on how to prepare this.
So we brought all of these ingredients to a simmer, and now I'm going to start adding my herb seasoned stuffing. I'm gonna lower the heat. And then here's the second bag. We actually did 2 bags because we've got about 18 people we're serving on Thanksgiving. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the egg mixture as well. That kind of holds it together. So let's give it a stir. Sometimes I go a little extra with the bouillon because there's so much bread. All right, we added just enough meat to this. Oh my goodness, look at this crab seafood stuffing. Gives my arm a workout. I think my family's really going to like this. And now it's all mixed together, so we are going to transfer the mixture into our pan right here. All right, let's go ahead and transfer the stuffing into our pan so we can get it into the oven. This looks and smells amazing. I am so excited.
I'm going to help Amy a little bit now. Put this in. I think it's given her arm a workout. So this smells absolutely delicious. And again, guys, you can modify, I always tell you this, you can modify the seasonings. We do it a little bit different. We're going to add a little bit of granulated garlic now.
All right.
You can't have a dish without garlic. Come on. It's the Italian way. All right. Oh, man. That sage and thyme really gives it a beautiful smell. Excellent.
All right, guys, so we've got our seafood stuffing right here. It's all ready to be put in the oven. It looks fabulous. For you seafood lovers out there, you're gonna like this. So let's stick it in the oven, and we're gonna put it on 425, and we're gonna cook it just to brown it on top for about 20 minutes. That's it.
Well, that magical time has just happened. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can get this out. Let me get another. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Well, honey, you gonna join me? What do you think?
I'm ready.
Does it look good?
Yes.
All right.
So let's go ahead and serve it up.
Okie doke.
We can't take too much because we still have to take this to my sister's. Here we go.
Oh, well, she may not get everything. I can see that
We're
already.
gonna cheat a little bit.
Yes.
All right, does it work for you?
Okie doke.
And let's see how it tastes.
This is a whole new twist on Thanksgiving, having a seafood stuffing.
Wow, wow, wow. This is great.
Oh,
I love this.
oh man.
I've always made stuffing with sausage and cranberries, that kind of thing, but never seafood.
Yeah, I mean, guys, Thanksgiving is the most wonderful, family-oriented holiday. It's the time to, loosen up your belt, yes. You're going to taste so many good things. You're going to have family over, different cakes, pies. Stuffing's only one of the side dishes. I'm sure there's going to be tons of casseroles. I just go ballistic. I pull all the stops out at Thanksgiving. We really hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving for you and your families. This has been an excellent dish. This is definitely not a put on. I love seafood. Amy loves seafood.
Yes.
We want to be healthy. I don't eat seafood every day, but when I have it, It's going to be a good dish. I want to really make the most out of it. Scallops, shrimp, and crab. What a mixture. It just marries well, and all these ingredients are great. As I said, I'll have everything listed in the links below after the video. Guys, to you.
And don't forget to make seafood stuffing this year for Thanksgiving. And guys, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Fish Hook.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is really luscious. I'm really enjoying this. This is a great recipe. I hope you guys do this. And for any of you folks that do take the plunge and try this, send us an email, fishhook2019@gmail.com. I will also include that in the links below. Let us know if you try these recipes. Talk to me on comments. I answer every comment. I love it. It really stokes me when you guys really respond. Give me your likes. We love you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and Christmas is right around the corner. So God bless you.